This is Webiclass Language Analysis. Welcome. Today, we're looking at the differences between Synecdoche and Metonymy. For the objective of today's lesson, by the end of the lesson, you should be able to use Synecdoche and Metonymy without confusing one with the other. Please go back, watch and listen to lessons 13 and 14. That's the last two lessons because these lessons treated Synecdoche and Metonymy. Now, Synecdoche. Look at this example. Tickets are being sold for 20 euros per head. Synecdoche is that which uses part to represent the whole or the whole for the part. In other words, the complete thing which is in focus, the target, is mentioned in Synecdoche, or part of that complete whole is mentioned in Synecdoche. Tickets are being sold for 20 euros per head. It's not the head which is going to buy the ticket, but it is the person that's going to buy the ticket. And instead of saying per person, Synecdoche says per head, choosing part to represent the whole. Why? That means the writer wants us to focus on the head, as if it's the head that is going to buy. Why is buying a ticket so important to the head instead of the whole body? Per person. Why the focus on the head? Looking at the context in which this sentence appears, we have to find what we are visualizing, head and the body. Compare the two. Why do we need to focus on the head here? There is an effectiveness. We visualize, we compare, we argue out the effectiveness. What about metonymy? Metonymy is the use of a closely related thing in place of the thing itself which is intended. The intended image or subject is not mentioned at all. So unlike the Synecdoche, metonymy does not mention the target image or subject. But then metonymy uses something which is rather closely related to that which is intended. For example, lunch is £5 a plate. Unlike Synecdoche, which just told us head is part of the body, here the plate is mentioned. The plate is not part of the food, but it's the food we are buying for £5. So the plate related to the food, whereas it's the food we are buying. Why? Why plate instead of food? The writer wants to say something to us. We have to visualize what the writer is saying, visualize food, compare the two, and argue at the effectiveness of plate instead of food. That is what metonymy is all about. Now, look at your takeaway. Read it and go and do it. Be ready within 1 week. Okay. And so, this is, as usual, your Webiclass teacher, Roger Olimbio. Bye for now. I'll see you in the next lesson.
Are you not yet subscribed? Don't lose out. Join us in Webiclass. Share, ask questions, suggest and subscribe.